How to log into the Online Efiko. Hello, I'm going to show you how to log into the Online Efiko using the password sent to your email. Firstly, go to any browser of your choice and type in www.onlineefiko.com. When the site page loads, you will see the login column containing the username and password located at the top right hand corner of your screen. Go to your email and retrieve your username and password that was sent to you. Input the password and username into the spaces provided, ensuring that there is no empty space before and after your password, and then click enter. It will then take you to a page where you must change your password before proceeding. Remember, you had already copied your password at the beginning, so I will just paste it here and then type a new password, which should have a capital letter, small letters, a special character, and some numbers, and then save changes. The password is changed, so click on continue. It will then take you to your profile information. Ensure that you fill all areas specified as compulsory. Scroll down and provide your phone number. Then click update profile. You have now successfully logged in.